Hello, welcome to a tutorial on how to create a basic VHS Lo-Fi hip-hop effect in Final Cut Pro X. To start off, let me show you some of the final result to let you see what the effect looks like. To start off, open Final Cut Pro and select File, New, Project. Next click on Video, select Custom, and type in 640 by 480. This will create the VHS aspect ratio. Next, import all your clips you are going to use for your edit. Once all your videos are in, drag and select them all, go to Scale All, and make sure they fit into the screen. Now that they're all in, we're going to start to add the effects to our videos. Don't worry about adding every single effect to every separate video. I'll show you how to do that later. For now, add all the effects to the first video in the timeline. Go to the Installed Effects section and type in Gaussian. Turn the amount down to 2. Next, add noise, and turn the noise down to anywhere between 0.05 and 0.08. It's up to you. Personally, I've used 0.07. Add sharpen, and change the amount to anywhere from 7 to 8. After that, drop in the color board and head over to exposure. Keep in mind all of this will depend on what your video's setting is, so feel free to change it around if it doesn't look that good, but generally this will work for most videos. Change the midtones to 31% and the highlights to 55%. Head over to color. Personally, I've went for a blue/pink aesthetic, but you can go for whatever color you want. After you've got your color sorted, add the bad TV effect. Change the amount to 3, make sure the static type is TV static, and change the roll to around 2. Now that we've added all the effects to the first video, let's add them to the rest of the clips. To do this, copy the first video by pressing Command-C, then drag your mouse across all the other videos so they're highlighted. Go to Edit and scroll down to Paste Effects. Select it and all the effects from the first video will be duplicated onto the rest of the videos. Easy. Next, we'll add the VHS overlay. Unfortunately, Final Cut Pro doesn't have an option to do this. However, we can download one off YouTube and add it over the video. The one I'm using will be linked in the description of this video. Once you've got it downloaded, drop it in and drag it on top of all the clips. Make sure you scale it up to fit the video and make sure the blend mode is set to screen. That way it will seamlessly overlay the video. Next, we'll add our music. The song I'm using is called Blow Trees by Parasol Palace. However, I'll link a video in the description full of lo-fi hip-hop songs that you can choose from if you haven't already got a song in mind. With all that done, your VHS Lo-Fi hip-hop edit is done. There are some optional things you can do, like add transitions and create an intro. However, that's totally up to you. If you'd like to know how to make the simple VHS intro I used at the start of this video, simply grab your VHS overlay again, go to the Installed Titles section and type in Basic Text. Drag the text over the video and type in your name/video title. Add all the same effects to the title as we did before for the video except Gaussian and noise. And there we go. A nice simple VHS intro as well. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment down below, or message me on my Twitter at MrEditor17, and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Thank you.